Hi y'all, Jeff back here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back. Just thought I'd do a quick video. It's Saturday, what is it, April 19th, and I just thought I'd do a quick video of the progress of the 350 SL. And I'm going to take the camera off and kind of, just kind of go around it. But, tomorrow being Easter, we're going to do Family Day again. But I've been kind of tinkering with this thing a little bit, off and on in the evenings. And so, I don't know if you can see this on camera. I'm going to back the camera up a little bit. And, you can see taillights are in. Trunk chrome is on. The good old star is on there. Obviously, the new rubber seals are in. The latch and everything is good. This rubber seal wasn't bad. The taillights, oh my goodness, they were a challenge. And had the rubber seals, remember I put new rubber seals on it. And I had to put some Vaseline petroleum jelly on there to push them in. So they were a little difficult. Of course, got dust settling in the garage, and then the other evening, got to working on the passenger door. And let me lower the camera down just so you can see it. This rubber seal right here isn't all that bad until you get to right here, but sure makes the door tight. And really the starting point on this is right here, and of course it takes those little Christmas tree clips, and it looks like I'm needing to put a screw right there. I forgot about that. But that seal goes all the way around on the bottom. The bottom's not so bad. But then come back up here. Now, I've kind of learned the trick, and when we get the door card back in here, test the window. Of course, I think there's probably some paint overspray on the window, but we'll clean it when we. That won't be so bad, but we'll get that cleaned. Tomorrow, probably going to continue working on, door cards. Chrome pieces. There's the chrome piece that fits here once you put the door card on. I've gotten, of course, you got to shut it a little bit harder now because that rubber seal, it's new, and so it's like I said, it's very difficult. You can see the you can see the headlight sticking out there. A little hard to see here, but the front pretty much, kind of got it put back together. The grill is on, both headlight assemblies. I've got to, this bumper can go on because it's clean and ready to go. The rear bumper, I've got to repaint the ground effects, the AMG piece, and so that's something that we just got to, I just got to continue messing with. And I'm thinking tomorrow, I've got enough of the electrical. What did it say here? I guess I'm still recording. Again, I there's no editing on my videos, and so, we're just, we keep going with it. I think what I'm going to do, and I don't know if you can see this on the camera, this is kind of the tough chrome here. I already got this piece on. Well, then there's another piece that holds this rubber, and I thought I had bought this piece, and this one is kind of worn out down there at the bottom, but I opened the package and I looked at it and it's not the same, so I'm going to have to use that. But this piece goes right in there, and of course you can do it with the door open, and there's some sort of sealant or sealer on there. I'm not sure where to get it, but I think what I'm going to do is I may have some butyl tape that we use in the RV industry, and I may try and just put a little bit of butyl tape there, just to, it's going to seal it out. And then we'll start cleaning on the inside. Like I said, put the door cards in, and maybe tomorrow, well, tomorrow it's supposed to rain. Maybe later today I'll start the car and see if it should start. It's only been in here a couple months, but start it and let it warm up a little bit, and maybe back it up a little bit, so that we got can work on the front a little bit more. I don't know, we'll see. My mower is sitting out, so it's not a real big deal. I can back the car up a little bit, but there you have it, folks. It's coming together. If it wasn't going to rain tomorrow, I probably would start prepping on the hard top, but I do have these two pieces to paint. What else was there? Oh, the two front trim pieces that go underneath the headlight assemblies, and so we'll get to that. So, oh yeah, here's the pieces that I bought for that, and this one is this one says door seal 389, and this one is 360. So and this may be for the hard top. I don't know, but they're not for this, and they're not A-pillar seals. So it is what it is. And okay, so here's the seal for the top. This seal here, oh yeah, I forgot about that. That one's going to be a challenge. I'm not sure how it fits in there. This seal is supposed to go all the way around. We'll see if I use that or not. But more to come, folks. Progress is coming along. So there you have it. I may tinker and do the driver's door seal. Like I said, they're challenging. This rubber seal here took me over about an hour and a half to get around and get it into its groove. So more to come, but thanks for watching. There's your update. Probably do another video tomorrow. We'll just see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.